Come test drive 2016 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, rear window defroster, CD player, compass, power windows, trip computer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.